Good afternoon student. The previous section we are learned generation of computer. Today we are discuss about sixth generation computing and in the computer components. The first digital computer. What is the first digital computer? Already I said ENIAC. This is the electronic numerical integrator and calculator. What is the exponent form? Electronic numerical integrator and calculator. So was invented by J. Presper Eckert and John Macaulay at the University of the Pennsylvania and become the construction, what is the year, 1943, and is not completed until which year, 1943 he started, but it is not completed till another 1946. It is occupied with 180 square kilometers feet and used about how many vacuum tubes they are using. The power consuming 18,000 vacuum tubes. The weight is about 50 tons. ENIAC the first digital computer because it was fully functional. What is the functional arithmetic? The function add, subtraction and multiply. So it's fully functional in the first digital computer. What is the name of the first digital computer? ENIAC. The sixth generation computers could be defined as the era of intelligent computer. What is the name is called? Intelligent computer. Based on artificial neural network. What is the purpose there? Neural network means the nerve. So one of the most dramatic changes in the system will be explosive growth of the, what is the area? Wide area all over the world. And is the natural language processing. NLP, it is the natural language processing is component of the artificial, it is a codings, okay, by acting the robotics. It provides ability to develop the computer program to understand what is the human language. So you have the robotics, we have able to understand the human language, what is the language you speak, all this. Why means before the computer who don't know that what language you speak, they won't understand. All the language will be converted is the coding format. So convert the machine's code, then only they know that what is the we are using, what you are convert the message. Otherwise you are speak to English and Tamil, they don't understand. So next one is the optical character recognition. You are studying the socialism. So engine was the InduScript has been developed using the deep learning neural network, a subfield of artificial intelligence. Given the photographs, scans or any images fed in the induced visualization artifact, the system will be able to recognize an inscription. So this is, you have scanned this coding mean can able to find out the any what is the code we are using in the induced value. So all will be recognized and encryption will be displayed. So the simple grammar sequence from the image, there are totally how many simple there are? 417 simple grammars and characters in the InduScript. Just 3,700 plus steps inclusion of the data for the machine to learn attain the expert level state. They scan and display what is the symbol, what they convey the message, all will be displayed. We are using what is the optical character recognition machine. What do you mean by the data and information? Data means what is the data and what is the information. Already know that collecting the information, converted the raw fact, they converted the data. So this is called the data. Data is defined as an unprocessed collection of the raw facts. Unprocessed collection of raw facts suitable for communication, interpretation or processing. What do you mean by the data is defined as unprocessed collection of the raw fact suitable for communication and interpretation or the processing. For example, we have collected 13416 Kavita C. But you haven't able to understand what is you are conveying the message, we don't know. Just collecting the information, they are entered. So this is not give any meaningful. So information is the collection of the fact from the which conclusion may be drawn. So simple word we can say data is raw fact, that is processed give the meaningful. We collecting the data, we enter the information in the part. So another after that finishing the part, they will be another display the meaningful. Kavita, what is the example? Kavita is 6 years old. What is the Kavita is 6 years old. The information is Kavita's conveys the some meaning. This conversion they convey before we are enter Kavita C 16134, but any meaning is available in the data? No. The information is converting in the meaningful. This is called the data processing. What is the name is data and information joined together, they will be form the meaningful. That name is called the data processing. So how the data is working mean input. After you get the input, you get the input means you are giving the instruction, they converted the processing, finally we get the result of output. A computer is an electronic device. They takes the raw data. What they will take the data? Raw data. This is the unprocessed as an input from the user. We are giving the raw data only. We are giving just in Kavita, C and 16131. This is the data. We are giving the input for that. After the user and process to under the control set of the instruction. This is called the program. This produce after finally they will be executed and display the result. That is called the output. You know that add two numbers mean we are instruct the input a comma b comma c. So we getting the variable, three variable input, get the value of a, get the value of c and display the result c. So next is then after the we getting the values, we will do the process. Done. So here will be another, first is the input, another integer a comma b comma c. So get the value a b. So next what we are doing the processing. C equal to a plus b. Finally we get the result. So 5 plus 5 mean equal, what is the output? C equal to 10. So this is will be another input and this will be your call processing. This one is the output. I hope you clearly understood. So a computer is the combination of the components of the computer. What is that? The computer is the combination of the hardware and software. Is the hardware is the physical component of the computer, like what is the inside of the computer, motherboard, memory devices, monitor, keyboard, etc. While the software is set of the instruction. Both the hardware and software together make the computer system will be function. Without hardware and without software, the computer won't to work properly. Both will be need. Every task given to the computer follow in the, what is the processing we mean? Input, process, output cycle. What is the processing we mean? Input, process, output cycle. It needs certain input, process that input and produce the desired output. The input unit takes the input, the central processing unit does the processing of data, and output unit produce the output. Are you clear? The input unit takes the data, the central processing unit processing the data, the output will be display the result. So the memory units, what they are doing, the memory units store the result in the memory. So instruction during the processing. So this is the way of, first is the input unit, they will be under the central processing unit. Here central processing unit 3 part. What is the control unit, arithmetic logic unit and memory. So the memory will be split to the 3 part, internal memory, to main memory and secondary memory. Are you clear? The memory unit will be split to, one is the main memory, another one is the secondary memory. So we are sending the data in the memory, they will be sent to the another arithmetic logic unit, they will process, the control unit will be control the all other units. So they will control arithmetic logic unit and memory unit, they will control all other unit. After finally you get the result, you need means store in the memory, otherwise you want to display the result means they send out to the output unit. So, I hope you all clearly understood. Thank you, student.